Hello ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is Forex Quick Look. I'm going to take a look at the sterling versus US dollar. It is Friday, July 21st, 2023. It's Friday, so taking a look at the daily chart, reminding us of the longer term move and what we've done this week. The price high this week came up short of last week's high. Last week's highs moved toward the low of this swing area on the daily chart. This area was defined by different swing lows through here and swing highs through here, before moving to the downside through here, we didn't return to that level, that area, until this week, or last week actually, when the price moved up just above the 131.46 level, found willing sellers, and in trading this week, the high price, I guess from Tuesday, approached that level, but found early sellers against that level and forced its way to the downside. The price ended up getting back below this yellow area right through here, which we moved above again in last week's trading and moved back below that level. And you can see in trading in trading yesterday, the price moved into that area and found willing sellers against that level, pushing to the downside. And we're trading at the lowest levels in trading this week today. So now let's drill down to the hourly chart and see what that is telling us. And that move to the downside trading here today. Move below a swing area on this hourly chart. I'm going to go back in time to these highs right through here. Put it on my arrow. And we had different swing highs through here where it formed a ceiling before moving to the downside. We came back up, retested the level, fell to the downside. It wasn't until we moved back up to here where we found sellers once again against this area. So 1, 2, 3 different points where the market found resistance against that level and pushed to the downside. It was last week that the price moved above that level and rotated to our high price near the 131.41 level, where the price then moved to the downside. It wasn't trading yesterday, where the price again returned to this swing area. It's the same area, folks. Right through here, and bounced off of that level. And in trading here today, we'd moved below that level. That should have opened the door for a move toward the 128 level and the 61.8% retracement of move up from this low to this high. But the market stalled ahead of that level, got down to around the 128.16, 17 level before rotating back to the upside. We are back in this area right now, currently trading at 128.44. So we're going to be watching the 128.35 level to see if the price can hold support against that level. Now the buyers are trying to make a play after the failed break to the downside. Look for support buyers against that level. If it moves back below that level, then the sellers still remain in control in the short term. Stay above it, and a move above the 50% retracement level would be what we're trying to see. If we get above that level and then get above the high price from earlier in the day, we could see a rotation back toward the broken 38.2 as the week comes to a close. So a key area right now for the traders between the 128.34.9 and 128.486 level. If the price is able to hold support against that level, we could see the rotation back above the 50%. If it can't, we're still going down. We're going to look toward that 128 level in trading later today to close the trading week. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.